Welcome to John's Detecting Adventures. Here we are, searching for history. And with the Vortex 9, let's see what we're going to find with that today. $67. You can see it straight away. Big piece of lead for the lead bucket. 67. What's that then? What's that then? In there. Oh, what's that then? Oh, some sort of badge. Some pendant of some kind. 60. Now with the pinpointer. Oh, look at that. Like a florin that, I think, florin. Oh, it is though, but it's a florin of somebody. 70, 75. What's that? It's in there, in the sword. Not a good sign. So we've got something in there then, what is it? Haha! It's a pound coin! Right, now where it is? Look down there. What's that then? Oh, we got one. Few pennies. Is it Victorian? Not sure. Oh, it could be Victoria. Yes, Victoria. Victoria penny. Just went out and about, and I'm with a mate of mine who's just walking the dog, and at the same time doing a bit of recording. Just got a cracking signal here, but this is where we are now. I've been in the field on this while back now. It's probably my third attempt on this massive field, absolutely huge. I've had in silver only William III shilling, 2 down 1 hole actually on this particular field. A lot of Victorian stuff's come out, George III's come out, and a couple of bits and bats. I've actually found a pendant, some sort of pendant to there. I'm not really sure what it is. Needs cleaning up, and yeah, that's it there, look. He's cleaning up, some sort of writing on that. Check that out later. So we got at the moment a couple couple of Victorian pennies, pound coin, the old pound coin. And you see I've got my mate here. I've got my mate Phil here, look.
Hey, alright.
Yeah, got his Poppy. Hey Poppy, and his other dog there at it. Ollie. Hey Poppy. Hey girl. And so we're in this field now. I don't really know what all that's about there. If you can see those trees over there, it's just all, we have a quick wander on these trees, but it seems to, a bunch of trees, a load of stones here. Pile of stones here. I don't know what they're doing with this. Whether it used to be any building or outshed or something. No idea. $79. We'll have this out. It's a cracking signal. Here we go then. Let's see what it is. Look at Poppy. That's a good girl. Ah, in her out. We've got it out. So what is that then? It's a nice signal, gotta be honest. So what's in there? Hey, what's up there? Oh, I don't believe it's a dreaded 1 pence.
1 pence.
1 pence up. Cracking signal that. Unbelievable. Add it to the 1 pences. 52. Oh dear. Not good. 52 in the sod. There. Oil 52. 60. We'll dig that. 60. We've got it out actually. It says this. It's in there. Oh, it's a screw. It's a brass screw. Brass bucket. $80. There is it, right. That is an old coin. Looks like a George III. Halfpenny. That's what they like, them. Really good. It's a bit rough is the ground. It's a 78. So, ah dear, not good, but it's hardcore, which could be rubbish. So tin can. Move away from the hardcore. 78. We'll dig that, see what that is. Right, let's see if we can find it with a pinpointer then. Yes. I've got it in here then. It is something. I think it's a big button. I think. Yeah, it's a big dandy button. 55. Oh dear. 55, not good I think. Yeah, 55. Ooh. Some aluminium loop, I think. I don't think it's silver, it's too bright. 86, whoa, that's something big. But big as in what? 86, good number. Oh, right. Well, there it is, I can see it straight away. Oh man. Copper pipe, copper bin. So we're down here and it leads to a gate and it leads to another field here. Another field, so might tackle that later. Right on the top.
The popular?
I don't know.
There's no point doing it.
No, no point doing it.
So what do I do, end stream?
Yes. I'll sort it out from there. Try to dig this out. Oh. Piece of tin or something, rubbish. That's just turned off now. That just to let you know that Quest X pointer max. If it doesn't get used after 10 minutes, it says battery and turns off. And of course, when it does go down, it gives you that like a slightly low tone to crap, rubbish, and lights up red. And then when it goes on to red, onto green, is a green little light. It lights up and it's a slightly higher tone, and that's something decent to dig. So generally, if you're in the hole and see red, you don't dig it. Don't dig it out, don't bother, it's just rubbish, you know. But like I said, it's just turned off now. So I'm going to go back out now on this side here, because I had a lot of coins on this side of this wall. 79. So. Yeah. Another George V. 75. So it's in there then. So what is it then? A good number, I know that. It's got to be in here then. Oh yes, yes, a big coin. There you go. George V penny. 89. See, that's a big number. What's that? $89. What's that then? Uh-oh. A piece of whatever it is. Probably off the tractor. $86. What's that? Oh, there it is. Another one. Another penny. That's unusual. A group of pennies here. What's this one? Oh, it's Elizabeth II. 65. Tin. $86. Right then, what's that then? It's anything like those other numbers, it's the same thing. That's another one, look. I think that's George VI. There's another one. Wow, it's really coming out thick and fast here. This is George the 5th again. Wow. 65. Piece of lead. Lead bucket. 75. I've got it out then. What have we got here then? Something's in here. Oh, it's another penny. God, there's a lot of pennies around here. Should be some silvers. Who's this then? I think that's Victoria, eh? I think. Victoria. Burner, I think. $71. I can find it with a pinpointer then. Without digging the hole, people. So it's down there then, somewhere. What's that? I think we've got a silver there. Well, I think we've got a bit of silver spoon end. Probably a big dessert thing, but it's definitely silver, that. Spoon. Bit of silver. 86. Good signal. That's my signal, I'll have a bit of that. What's there? Oh. Right, it's an old coin, it's George III. George III halfpenny. Definitely. $79. Oh dear. Bottle top. Vodka bottle top. Yeah, fancy a bit of that. $75. It's a coin killer. Another George V. Now. $65. Oh yes, in the top. Not good. Oh, there, look. Oh dear. Oh, it's a pound coin. There's another pound coin. To the collection. 60. 60. That then. No, look, it's sounding good that. That's like a tin can, I think. Am I reckoning? Oh no, it isn't. It's a big piece of metal. There, look. Some sort of steel alloy, that. So I thought I'd just show you what I found so far. It's a mixture of things. At least I got a bit of silver, something to show you, and a load of other coins and things like that. But got them all laid out here for you to look at. Starting to get a little bit warmer, not much. At least my finger ends aren't cold. I'm out with the Vortex. Cracking machine, it's really a sharp machine. I'm not digging the 40s because it seems to be coke that all the time. I'm not digging any 40s. But on ploughed land it'll be different, but this is pasture. I dug a lot of crap up, I must admit. But still, this is what we've got found here, look, so far. Look at that, look, all those pennies there, look. Those coins, pennies, that's a big dandy button. Some sort of pendant there. Pendant, I don't know what it is. I'm going to clean that up. Couple of pound coins, all pound coins. Look, all these coins I found. And of course I found a bit of silver, which is a spoon end, bowl if you like. But that's definitely silver, I can tell. It's silver. Well, the detecting day has come to an end. Enjoyed trying to find history. Thanks for watching and catch you on another adventure.